Hi! In front of me is Nokia 1.4 and today I would like to show you how you can rename this smartphone. Firstly, go into settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then click on about phone and choose device name. Over here you can type whatever you wish to. I will go with Dean. And when you're ready, save your changes by tapping on OK. Then click on OK one more time in this pop-up to really save them, because when I click on cancel, as you can see, my device name is still the same. So I have to click on OK 2 times. And now, as you can see, this Nokia was successfully renamed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!